Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning, my students.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Who is absent today?
Sarutodo, ma'am.
Okay, Rani, please lead us in pray.
Okay, class, let's pray. Finish.
Okay, students, do you still remember what we study in this meeting?
Yes, ma'am, about congratulating and complimenting.
Good. Okay, now I want you to watch a video. Kelihatan kan, kelas?
As the leaves start falling
Kelihatan,
down
ma'am.
and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
Okay, what was the video about?
Historical place.
Yes.
Yes, good, very good. About historical place. Those are some example of historical place. Okay, what we are going to study today is descriptive text. Okay, and the topic is about historical place. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Before I explain about the lesson, okay, let's see our learning goal. Okay, in Indonesia we call tujuan pembelajaran. Okay, let's see tujuan pembelajaran hari ini setelah mengikuti proses pembelajaran melalui kegiatan menyaksikan dan mengamati tayangan video dan PowerPoint serta kegiatan berdiskusi, tanya jawab dan kerja kelompok, menganalisis fungsi, struktur dan unsur kebahasaan teks deskriptif terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah, kemudian menemukan makna tersirat dan tersurat dalam teks, kemudian bisa menulis sebuah teks deskriptif terkait tempat wisata dan bangunan bersejarah terkenal dengan memperhatikan fungsi sosial. Okay, good. Okay, now I have a descriptive text. Okay, can you see the text? Can you see the text?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yes. I want you to work in a group. I want you to work in a group to discuss about the generic structure, about the social function, and about the grammatical features of the text. Okay. Okay. Just work in a group and then we discuss. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you have to find the social function, the generic structure, and the language features. Okay? Okay, I give you about 10 minutes to discuss about it. Okay? Okay, kelompok 1, okay. I want you to present the social function of the text. Okay, kelompok 1. What is the social function of the text?
Let me try, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, Rani,
One.
please, Rani.
Okay, the social function of descriptive text to describe the particular object by using its detailed description or specific feature to help readers visualize what a place, person, animal, and things is like.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, you are a clever student, so we can reach our goal learning. You have answer my question. Okay, next, kelompok 2. Okay, generic structures of descriptive text. Okay, kelompok 2. Anybody can answer the generic structures of descriptive text?
generic structure of descriptive text. The first one is identification. It introduces what the object being described is. Number 2, description. Describe specific features and the characteristic of the place.
Okay, good, very good. You have understand the material. So, based on the text, which paragraph belong to identification part? Okay, which paragraph belong to?
Identification is in the first paragraph, ma'am.
In
the first paragraph.
Okay, next. Description part belong to?
Second paragraph, ma'am.
And
the third paragraph.
Okay, good. Very good. Okay. I want you to keep focus. So, do what I want you to do. Okay. Listen up, please. Okay. When I say Maimun Palace, you say 1. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when I say Taj Mahal, you say 2. When I say Eiffel Tower, you say 3. Okay, you get it?
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, Maimun Palace.
1.
Okay, Eiffel Tower.
3.
Okay, Taj Mahal.
2.
Maimun Palace. 1. Okay, good. Next, we are going to the grammatical features. Okay. Next, kelompok berikutnya. Okay. Give the grammatical features of descriptive text.
Features of descriptive text is 1. Focus on specific participant.
Yes.
2. Of adjective. 3. The use of simple present tense. And the
Okay.
last is the use of action verbs, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, I want you to do some exercise. Okay, as your activities
Okay,
in
ma'am.
this learn process. Okay, I have sent the activities that you have to do. Okay, do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just do it in 5 minutes. Okay, you have to do it in your group works. Okay. Okay, now I want to give a evaluation. Okay, you have to do the evaluation on Google Form. Okay, I have shared the link. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, now I want to do some reflection of our learning process today. Okay, what do you get? What do you get from our lesson today? Okay, Sumiati, what do you get from our lesson today?
I get descriptive text is a text that describes particular object, man, like place, and then like place, person, animal, or thing.
Okay,
Especially today, we have learned about historical places.
Okay, good, very good. You have understood about the definition of descriptive text. Okay, next, what do you get from our lesson today? Boroli?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A
what-
social function of descriptive text to
Yes.
describe the particular object by using its detailed description or specific features to help readers visualize what a place, person, animal, and thing is like.
Okay, very good. The generic structure of descriptive text.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, Jumiati.
Yes, the generic structures of descriptive text is first identification and then description, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now I am going to
Yes,
give
ma'am.
you a homework to do at home individually. Next week we are still discuss about descriptive text, but we focus on speaking. Okay, next week we are going to elaborate the speaking skill of descriptive text. Okay? Okay,
Okay,
I think
Okay,
that's
ma'am.
all. I think that's all for today. The time is enough. So,
Thank you,
assalamualaikum
Okay, ma'am.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.